Achiel kachiel Jamhuri Grounds mar mondo mi wawinjane kaka Gladys Wanga ma en gavana e kaunti ma Homa Bay kendo jakom mar ODM loso gi sani.
The movement above self. In his long journey with our party and with our country, Baba taught us patriotism. He taught us sacrifice. He taught us tolerance. He taught us compromise. He taught us courage. But perhaps above all, he taught us focus. He taught us to keep our eyes on the bigger picture. He taught us not to be distracted by passing provocation, however glittering. He taught us to listen, to respect one another, and to remain anchored in the cause, especially when the pressure is greatest. And what are the values that must continue to define us? ODM must remain the party of change and transformation. We must remain defenders of devolution and of good governance. We must continue to stand for inclusion, constitutionalism, rule of law, and respect for human rights. As we look ahead, we know that our party must engage others and must prepare for the future with wisdom and clarity. But before we negotiate with others, we must find coherence within ourselves. Before we speak as a party to the nation, we must speak honestly to one another. Before we ask Kenyans to trust us with the next chapter, we must show that we are united, focused, and ready. Let us remember the wisdom he left us with. That battle is often hardest when victory is nearest. That is why this is not the hour to lose faith. It is the hour to gather strength. It is not the hour to scatter. It is the hour to close ranks. It is not the hour to doubt our purpose. It is the hour to renew it. Canaan is visible from here. The task before us is to prepare our people, strengthen our house, and move forward with discipline, courage, and hope. Let us be guided by unity. Let us be steadied by faith. Let us be worthy of the legacy we inherited. And let us move into the future with confidence that if we remain focused, faithful to our ideals, we shall complete our journey together. That is my statement as chair, as now we go into the agenda. I would now like to invite let us have a short interlude of entertainment as I've been advised. Please,
Malenga Wakilifi.
Hang on, DJ. Director of Elections and the National Elections Coordinating Committee, you will be coming next to take us through the next phase of the program. Interlude.
Asante.